So these students are an important part of the NASA program, and they're making flight hardware for us. That's a real accomplishment that high school students are doing, but it's thanks to their wonderful administrators, teachers, and the students' knowledge on how to operate these machines and do master chem, and there's a whole bunch involved that I'm really impressed with the students here that they are able to accomplish this for us. And my favorite part of my job is going to schools and meeting such wonderful students and teachers and administrators as I did today. And it just gives me really hope for the future, and it makes all my works seem like a pleasure.